Hey guys, welcome back to Sunday Potluck. I'm going to be making a recipe out of the 3rd edition of the WHBC cookbook today called chicken and chips. It's basically like a fried or baked fried chicken, I guess is how you would say it. I'm using potato chips instead of flour. So let me show you what I'm doing down here. Okay, so I've got, the recipe calls for a stick of butter and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. However, I am going to add 2 to 3 pound fryer or chicken breast. And I cut up about 5 chicken breasts because there's a lot of us and this is for lunch. So I did 2 sticks of butter and 1/2 teaspoon of the garlic powder. And then I've got the, the potato chips that I got a big bag of just the off-brand or store brand. It's a 13-ounce bag of potato chips, and I've crushed up about half of them in here. And so this would be a good recipe to do with kids, so you can have kids help you out. So what you do is, it just says put the chicken in the melted butter and coat that. Put it in the potato chips and get them coated.
Mom.
Hold on, sister. You want some more potato chips? Okay, hold on. Hold on just a second. Well, no, okay. All right, hold on just a second. Let me figure out what to do with her. Okay, so I've coated a couple of these, and I don't know how well that actually coated. And I sprayed some Pam on, I don't know how well that did in the bag, but I sprayed some Pam on the cookie sheet as well. Just to make sure that it doesn't, the chicken doesn't stick to the, I have to put that in a bowl. Okay, I'm gonna fall back and punt. It doesn't really say how to do it. It just says dip the chicken pieces into the butter and then into the crushed potato chips. So I'm gonna just dump this and this. And I was trying to not use my hands as much, but it looks like I'm just gonna have to get in there with my hands and do that. So that's okay. That's okay too, but this is not sticking on there as much as I thought that it would. So and I've got another, I'll have to get another cookie sheet as well. Maybe these aren't crushed up as fine as they need to be. I don't know. So I'm just gonna do it like this until it's done, and then you cook it at 350 for an hour, which seems like a really long time for me, but that's what I'm gonna do because that's what it says to do. So I will get this finished and be back here, I guess, in about an hour. Well, I can't turn the camera off now because I got chicken on my fingers. So, I'll just do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get another cookie sheet as well. And I'll be back in just a little while. Okay, so I got a little bit better at it closer to the end when I was mashing the chicken down into the potato chips and kind of smushing them and coating them like that. So that's a good tip. And so I'm gonna put these in the oven and I will get back to you in just a little bit. Okay guys, so chicken's out of the oven. I put it on these racks to cool because it was the butter that was on the chicken had kind of like melted a lot. And so anyways, you can see some of the potato chips came off, but for the most part, At least the tops of them look pretty. Some of them stayed on the whole way, but they are very, very greasy. So that's one thing that, you know, whatever. It is what it is. So let's grab one of these little ones and taste it. My husband came in and he was like, oh my gosh, these are so good. He said, but I am really, really hungry, so that could be why. This one's really, it's a little dry, but it's a really little piece. But, I mean, there's nothing like super special about it, but it's not bad either. Next time I do them, I might try to fry them in the skillet and see see how that goes. Ooh, got a little piece of dry. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already to Sunday Potluck, please do. And we'll see what I'm cooking next week or tomorrow or the next day or later this afternoon or whenever. So I'll see y'all later. Thanks a lot. Bye.